Hello students, I am Dr. Tanmoy Vishwas. I welcome you all in my channel Chemistry of Molecules. I believe you all are fine. So today we are going to discuss a multiple choice question presented in front of you. Such kind of question could be useful for exams like BSc, MSc or BSMS, that is college or university related any chemistry exams, and competitive exams like CSIR, NET, GATE, IIT JAM, etc. So it's an interesting MCQ, interesting problem. So that's why I request you as usual, please try by yourself. Okay. So I forgot to mention in this case the question is, what is the structure of the major product? Okay. So what is the structure of the major product? The four options are provided in front of you and one of them is the right answer. So your turn is to find out what is the right answer logically. I request you, please pause the video, try by yourself and write your answer on the comment box. Don't hesitate whether your answer is wrong, right or wrong. You need to accept your current situation and remember, self-evaluation is essential for improvement. Okay, so let's start. I believe you have tried by yourself. So let me explain. So it's a very easy thing. See, it's a fuel and reaction is sodium oxychloride, hydrogen peroxide. It's an oxidizing agent. So what it produces, and by the way, I want to mention I have uploaded lots of basic chemistry lecture and MCQ on heterocyclic chemistry, 5-member heterocyclic chemistry, 6-member heterocyclic chemistry, aromatic, electrophilic, nucleophilic substitution, everything. Please visit those lectures if you have any difficulty, because I made this for you, a complete set of lecture. Fine. So what happens? This sodium oxychloride, hydrogen peroxide, this is actually an oxidizing agent. Why I am saying this? Both are oxidizer and actually they react and give a unique product. Sodium oxychloride plus hydrogen peroxide react and produces, first of all, sodium chloride. Along with that, water. Along with that, the interesting molecule oxygen. Not only oxygen, this is, and its name is singlet oxygen. By the way, I have already uploaded a dedicated lecture on singlet oxygen. Please visit for details understanding. Here I will give a very qualitative brief description. Okay. So first of all, why this is oxidizing? Because the chlorine is in +1 oxidation state. After reaction, chlorine is getting -1. Okay. So that's why this is actually here oxidizing. And who is getting reduced? This is because right now this is in -1 oxygen. After this it becomes 0. Okay. So this is now the question is, sorry, I made mistake. This is the oxidation. -1 to 0 oxidation, and this is the reduction. Okay, sorry for this wrong answer. Fine. So our main focus is singlet oxygen. What do we mean? This is actually, you may consider OO diradical. In atmosphere, what we found, that is triplet oxygen. Triplet oxygen means in the last two electrons of oxygen goes to the pi star orbital, and in this case those two pi star orbital, they remain in this way. Okay, so two unpaired electron. Sometimes they called as diradicals also. So what happens? Because of this unique synthetic strategy, they don't remain in this form. In this singlet oxygen case, these two pi stars remain paired form. Okay, so from a simple knowledge, unpaired, two same energy orbital, two electron remaining same spin, unpaired, that is better for according to Hund's rule. But when you are pairing them, so you need to provide some amount of energy, and that's why you can conclude that singlet oxygen is more reactive. Is it visible? Singlet oxygen is more reactive. Okay, so that thing is reflected here. What happens? So, and more reactive means it can undergo Diels-Alder reaction and that's why it is not a diradical. Singlet oxygen not act as a diradical. Instead of, it is a oxygen double bond. You can consider, so just forget this part. It can act as a diene and can undergo 4+2 cycloaddition, and one of the 4+2 cycloaddition reaction is Diels-Alder reaction. Diels-Alder reaction. Okay, I have discussed this thing in a previous video. Please visit if you have to learn details. Now, what happens? This is double bond. So this is actually, not diene, dienophile. I made mistake. This part is actually diene furan, and this is oxygen. By the way, remember, furan is an aromatic compound. Why this act as a diene? Because during the reaction, its aromaticity is lost. Let me show you. So what happens? It attacks here, it goes there. So in this way, it resulted. This is the oxygen, and this is one oxygen. So these two oxygen, this peroxyoxygen, these and these are these two oxygen, and the furan oxygen better for me to mark using proper color. So the red oxygen is in red, okay, and this double bond. Now this is the Da reaction. This is a 4+2 addition. Question: why furan act as a diene? Because after this reaction, you can see aromaticity is lost. This phenomena I have discussed in a dedicated video where 5-member heterocyclic compound act as a diene. But very briefly, if I say the Re of furan means resonance energy is minimum for furan. So if your resonance energy means it's a stabilization, if the stabilization is minimum, then you can expect that it will be more reactive. And exactly this same thing is happening for furan. That's why they undergo this Diels-Alder reaction with singlet oxygen, which is acting as a dienophile. Now, after reaction also, whatever produce, this is aromaticity produced, and this is also not so stable. A simple question: if a product, this is unstable, if a product is unstable, why it is produced in the reaction mixture? Only one reason possible: its reactant are far more unstable. Okay, so actually this is very unstable. It prone to react. And hypothetically speaking, if in our this nature, if all oxygen theoretically converted into singlet oxygen, everything will be destroyed. This is very harmful for human body. And one of the use of this property is photodynamic therapy, which we'll discuss in some other videos. Fine. So what happens in the next step? In the next step, in the reaction medium, there is methanol. Since it is not stable, what happens? This methanol act as nucleophile. See, there is one hydrogen, there is one hydrogen. Sorry, not hydrogen. I should say this is methyl, this is methyl. Fine. So methanol will attack. These two are symmetrical, so any position it can attack. So obviously, it will attack from here to here. It will open up. See, this is actually a sp3 center. Okay, so that, and not only sp3, this is allylic also. So nice. So what it will result? Just draw everything as it is. Right now, I suggest that this. Okay, this is the double bond, and here methyl, and what is attached? OMe. Because when methanol will attack, after that this oxygen will become delta positive, it will release one proton, and it opens means one oxygen, and that proton will be obstructed by this O-. Okay, so let's redraw this thing little carefully. So it's a 5-member ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is also methyl. So 5-member ring, oxygen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This numbering thing is very helpful, student. Please try to follow this. This is methyl, this is OMe, another phase. This is methyl, this is OH. So this is actually, you can consider this thing as 1,4 addition reaction of furan. Means in case of diene we see 1,4 addition, 1,2 addition. So since furan can act as a diene, so you may consider this is actually 1,4 addition. So this is, so what is the product? D is our answer. Okay, so this is the explanation. Now question is that if such kind of question appears in your exam within less than 30 seconds, how can you explain? First of all, you need to know one reaction, this reaction, otherwise you will not be able to. You will end up, oxidizing reagent, then, sorry. So you may be confused that, okay, oxidizing agent, so what can happen? It will oxidize either these or destroy the ring, fine, ultimately confused. So that's why, and second, so oxidation not possible. Second, see, I have written this is the parent compound for preparation of furan. And by the way, I have already discussed this thing previously that 1,4-dicarbonyl compounds are the parent synthon for preparation of 5-member heterocycles. But from 5-member heterocycle we can get 1,4-dicarbonyl, but we need acidic condition. I have given any acidic? No, nothing is acidic. Neutral, not possible, gone. Third is this one. So if you consider like dihydroxylation of double bond, 1,4-dihydroxylation, then, but that is not possible. Actually this is, okay. So if you should know, first of all you need to know what is produced. If it is singlet oxygen, means singlet oxygens are very reactive and it undergo Diels-Alder reaction, and this produces this, and this Diels-Alder reaction is not stable, it produces something else. Now question, if you know this much that it produces Diels-Alder adapt, then you can get the answer. In which case OO there is only, nothing else. Okay, and this can result in that it cannot be broken in this oxygen-oxygen bond. If you want to break from this is actually named as peroxo linkage. Peroxy linkage. So if you want to break peroxy linkage, you need a reducing agent. I haven't provided any reducing agent, so not possible. So in this way, if you don't know, based on logical guess, you can end up the right answer. But some amount of knowledge is essential, and I request please don't follow tricks at the beginning stage. Try to study as much as you can, and at the end definitely tricks will work. Okay, because study plus tricks best. Less study, more tricks, very risky. Okay, so this is the end of this discussion. I believe this video may be useful for you. Please write your opinion in the comment box, and if my teaching is helpful for you, please do a favor for me. First of all, subscribe my channel Chemistry the Mystery of Molecule, and please press the bell icon to get the notification of every single video I upload. Secondly, share it with among your friends such that most of people can enjoy the benefit of my hard work. And please press the like button, it will encourage me. And I have a very small and humble request to you. If you can afford, please support me through Patreon, because right now it is not possible for me to upload without your support, financial support. So please support me financially through patreon.com, and thank you again. Stay happy, stay blessed. See you in my next video.